3, action. You guys are here. It's Fossil Friday. Oh my Lanta. Do you see what those two words have in common? What's the same about them? They both start with the letter F. So I thought it'd be cool if we did fossils on a Friday. Here we go. Are you ready to make some fossils? Are you ready? I don't know. I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. I really need to know that you're ready. If you're ready to make fossils, clap your hands. If you're ready to make fossils, clap your hands. If you're ready to make fossils and you really want to show me, if you're ready to make fossils, clap your hands. If you're ready to make fossils, give a roar. If you're ready to make fossils, give a roar. Roar! If you're ready to make fossils and you really want to show me, if you're ready to make fossils, let me hear you roar. Don't scare me though. Sheesh. Okay, so here we are to make some fossils. Alright, so if you're ready to do this, that means you have all your ingredients. We have our flour, we have water, and our salt. And I'm ready to get messy. So the first thing you have to do is preheat your oven. So ask an adult to do it, or show you how it's done, and go to your oven and preheat it to 250. 250. So when we're all done making it, you can just pop them right in the oven. To get started, let's get our bowl. So here's my bowl. So we're going to need, who knows what these are called? Did you say a measuring cup? Good job. The recipe calls for 2 cups of flour. So we need 2 cups. This has the number 1. That's right. So how many of these do I need? That's right, 2. Good job. I'm gonna need 2 scoops. Here we go. Might be easier to pour the flour into a bowl first. Or if you have it in a container, you just scoop it right out. Easy peasy. All right, I'm not there yet. Halfway. How you doing over there? All right. Ah! There's my mess. Okay, I need a little bit more. All right. And then we're gonna pat it out. Okay, it's gonna get messy, but hey, having fun. Okay, that's 1 into the bowl. And now I need how many more? That's right, 1. Okay, into our bowl. And into the measuring cup. Okay, and pat it out. Nice. Into the bowl. Wow, I'm gonna have a lot of fossil dough here. Okay, that's it on the flour. Bye, flour. All right, so the next thing we need is salt. Okay, we're gonna need 1 cup, just 1. Okay, here we go. I opened my salt and I'm pouring it in. Okay, into the bowl. Next, we're going to need our last ingredient. Who knows what the last ingredient is? Did I hear someone say water? Good job. And it needs to be warm water. It shouldn't be cold. It should be warm so that you get a nice soft dough. Okay, for the warm water, we're only gonna need half a cup. Here's half a cup, okay? It's a 1, the slash, and a 2, okay? So this is half of 1 cup. So if I were to cut this 1 cup in half, all the way around, I cut it in half, I would get 2 of these, okay? So 2 of these makes 1 cup. You're getting so smart. All right, so half a cup of the warm water. Let's do it. Okay, so I had my water sitting out. If you don't, you can get it from your sink and get some warm water, okay? Okay, so let's pour that into the bowl. Okay, now here comes the messy fun part. First, I'm just gonna give it a little mix, okay, to kind of get it all together, okay? And then you gotta get your hands in there, so, and smush it all together. If you need to add more water to get it to come together better, you could do that. But I'm gonna need a little more water because it's a little too much flour. So just gonna add a little bit and get it in there. It's gonna act like a glue, okay? All right, looking good. Hands are gonna get messy. All right, then you will get a dough. My dough. Bring it out to the flat surface. Maybe a little bit of flour since I spilled it. And I'm just gonna press my dough out. And now I have a nice dough. Look at this! Finger fossils! Like I said in the video before, you might not have a dinosaur at home, so you could really use anything. You could do your own hand and make your own hand fossil. You know, you just spread out your dough a little bit bigger so that you could fit your hand on there. Now, do anything. You have little plastic animals at home. You can do an animal fossil, okay? Because there's not just dinosaur fossils out there. There's animal fossils and plant fossils that they found. I'm going to show you guys some cool pictures. Okay, so such a big fossil. So I'm going to break mine in half actually. So I want to make a big fossil, a big one. So probably about that big. Now make sure it's thick, okay? See the sides? You don't want it. See how on this side it's thinner? I gotta make that thicker. So just fold in the side and press down. Okay? Fold in the side to make it thicker, okay? So you fold it in and then you press down. And then you get that thickness all the way around, okay? So it doesn't crack when it's baking and you get a really nice print. Okay, so there we go. So for my big one, this is going to be silly, but if you know me, I really love owls. I don't know why. I just really do. And so I'm going to do an owl print. So let me look at my owl. Okay, so I couldn't find my owl stencil that I have, so I'm going to have to either use my necklace or this air freshener that I have. So because I made it bigger, I think I'm going to try and use this. and I can clean it off. It's just flour and water. So here we go. Going to press it down into the dough. Okay. Really good. Make sure everything got there. So then I lift it up. And look. Now I push too far, so you see a hole. Make sure that doesn't happen. If it happens, I have a little extra laying around here, and I'm going to stick it behind it. Okay. On the side, I'm going to do my necklace too. Sorry for my messy hands. So push it down nice and gentle. And then lift it up. Yay! It's going to be so pretty. I'm so excited. I told you I was going to do a dinosaur too, so here's my dinosaur. And I think I'm going to do his face. So I'm going to line it up. Push down. And pick him up. My hair gets everywhere. Okay. Now slowly pick him up, and I'm going to put him in the oven. So cool, right? So I'm going to pop mine into the oven and then clean my hands. It's been 30 minutes, which means my fossil only needs 30 more minutes to make it an hour. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So, popping it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. My fossils are done! Woohoo! Check this out. Here's my dinosaur fossil. Woo! So cool. You can even feel like the bumps. I love it. So cool. Do you love yours? Yay! So happy to hear. You can see. Oh, it's so hot. Careful. You can see mine. The necklace didn't come out as good, but you can still see the face and the nose and the eyes. And before you go to pick it up, let it cool or it's gonna crack, because I just tried to move mine and look, I got a little crack. So let it cool. I know you're anxious, but let it cool, and then you can pick it up and paint it or leave it like it is. We did it, guys. You did it. You made a fossil. You did it. So proud of you guys. I'm so happy that you joined me on this fun activity. So, we learned a little math, we learned a little science, and we had fun. So, until next time, see you guys soon. Bye.